and then I'm gonna walk up to the door, give her the flowers and balloon. Good morning. It's literally 4:20 a.m. and I'm about to catch my flight to SFO. Popping bottle in hands at all times, you already know.
Please board through gate C19 for an immediate departure.
I just landed in Las Vegas, got a layover here, and then I'm going straight to San Francisco. But I actually look really scary right now, and I was falling asleep on the plane. My head would like bob like back and forth as if it was like a bowling ball, and yeah, I was doing that the whole flight, so my neck hurts now. But I kind of want to open my suitcase up, put on some makeup, because I low-key feel really icky right now. I'm gonna eat a granola bar because I did not get breakfast this morning, so we're gonna have Italian breakfast protein. The plan is I am gonna land in San Francisco, and then I'm gonna take the airporter to the bus stop, and then once I land, my aunt is gonna pick me up.
A telephone too? Camera?
No, it's a camera, yeah.
And how are you talking?
I'm just like making like a documentary.
Oh.
Yeah.
I'm sorry.
No, it's
God,
okay.
you are so just drop dead.
Thank you.
Beautiful jeans.
Oh,
Whatever you do, don't stop.
thank you so much. Oh. Yeah, once I land, my aunt is gonna pick me up, and then we're gonna go birthday shopping, get a little cake, then we're gonna surprise her.
To collect all remaining service items. Any cups, cake, it's been our pleasure having you aboard today. Thank you so much for choosing us here at Southwest Airlines.
This is Auntie Helen, and what are we doing today?
We are surprising Nana on her birthday,
Nana
May
Belle.
4th. So excited. Just picking her up now from the Manzanita stop. So we're gonna go get some breakfast, and you're going out for lunch. So enjoy your lunch, and then we'll surprise you later.
We can't wait to see you.
Love you.
Hello.
Let me tell you something. Oh my god, I'm shaking. I'm like a chihuahua. I'm shaking. She thinks we're all busy on her birthday, but we're not pushing her. This is so much fun.
We've got everything planned out. We went to the store, we got a cake.
Got the cake.
A little princess cake. Then we got flowers. Look how beautiful these roses are.
And you
They're so
got
cute.
the balloon.
Of course, birthday balloon.
It's been running around like a person.
She actually thought it was a person.
I thought it was a person who was sitting in the front seat. I thought, there's a head. Who is that? I like the balloon.
So she's at lunch. She's still at lunch.
Yeah.
And we're hoping that she gets back soon, really quick.
Yeah, she's having a good long lunch. Okay.
Wait,
this is
what's
good.
the model of the car?
Oh, it's an, wait a minute. Oh shoot. They got another cake they brought out for her. So Nana's gonna have 2 cakes. She's picked up Nana, dropped her off, and Fern at the restaurant. Okay, all right. Okay, we're good to go. And it's 1:20. Okay, this is good. It's all working out. We're just waiting for her.
Oh my gosh. So I'm at the Mill Valley Lumberyard right now, waiting for her. I'm waiting for my aunt to text me when she gets here, and then I'm gonna walk up to the door, give her the flowers and balloon, and hopefully she does not fall over, because everybody thinks she's going to. I don't think she is though. But I'm so excited. Now it's just a waiting game. I'm about to ring the doorbell, but update, the balloon literally flew away. It like fell off. Here goes nothing. Hello, happy birthday! Come on in. Oh my gosh. Oh my word. How do you feel?
I'm so surprised. Oh, darling.
Oh
my gosh.
Happy birthday.
Thank you. Oh, you're supposed to be in Idaho.
You've got some other surprises.
Happy birthday, man. I've been hiding out in Bob's office waiting for your car to come in. Happy birthday. I was about to whip myself waiting because I was like waiting.
You've got two more.
Gosh, and look at this hair. I know. Have you ever seen so much hair in your life? Beautiful. You are such a sweetheart. Oh my gosh. I'm flabbergasted. Oh, I know. I know. That's why I said.
Were you expecting it?
Be sure to catch Nana because.
No, I've just had two huge surprises.
I walked right past you as the car pulled in.
Oh, did you?
Is this a scam?
It says 1.
One what? Oh my word! Oh, thank you. I feel like a child today.
Oh.
Hi, darling. Oh, how are you?
How are you?
I'm surprised. Thank you.
Oh.
It's 95.
Yes.
My heart. Thank you. Thank you to everybody. The
Oh,
thanks
my
goes to you,
goodness.
my dear. Well, we have to make a wish, don't we?
Absolutely.